Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope you are doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEVS Home School. I am Muhammad Abul Kalam, an assistant teacher of English. Today I am going to conduct an English second paper class for the students of class 7. Our today's topic is use of preposition. I repeat, our today's topic is use of preposition. Dear students, look, this is our first annual examination or annual syllabus classes, our class number 1 and SW number 1. Since our today's topic is use of prepositions, so we need to know that what is prepositions. Dear students, keep it in your mind that preposition is an important grammatical topic. Without knowing the proper use of prepositions, we cannot write our sentences correctly or properly. So, to know the proper use of preposition is a must. Now, give your attention and look at the board. Look here, I have given here 3 examples. Look at the first one, the earth moves round the sun. Second one, you will submit your SW on Sunday. Third one is, she is skilled in swimming. So, look at the underlined words, round, on, in. These three words represent our today's topic, use of prepositions. So, these 3 words, round, on, in, show the relation of noun and noun equivalents and to the other sentences, other parts of a sentences. So, now we are going to so look here, since it shows the relation to the noun. So, look here, that means after preposition there is the sun is noun, after preposition the Sunday is noun, but here you look, after preposition the word is swimming, here it is jiran, it is noun equivalent. Now, we will go to the definition for better understanding. Look, the words that come before a noun or any noun equivalent to link it with another word of that sentences are preposition. So, we have got the definition here. We know that a preposition is a relating word. Now, we will go to the type of prepositions. Look here, here it is seen that there are 3 types of prepositions. Number 1, preposition of time. Number 2, preposition of place and position. Number 3, preposition of directions. Okay. Now, number 1, preposition of time. Look at the examples. We shall return by 3 o'clock. Here the underlined word is by, and by is a preposition. She was in Sylhet from Dhaka from 2002 to 2010. This the word, underlined word from is preposition. The third example, I have known him for 3 years. So, look at the underlined word here, for. So, 3 underlined words, by, from, for. These 3 prepositions represent the preposition of time. Now, we will go to prepositions of place, position and preposition of directions. To understand this preposition of place and position and direction, this picture will help us very much. So, look at here. So, here we see the preposition of place, position and directions. Look here. It will help you very much to understand the preposition of place, position and direction. Now, we will go to the examples. Look, Mariam lived at a small village. Here at is a preposition. The cat is lying under the table. Here the underlined word under is preposition. He held an umbrella over my head. Here the word over is an example of preposition. So, these 3 words, at, under, over, these 3 are the preposition of place and position. Now, third one, preposition of directions. So, look here, I have given here 3 examples also. He has left for home. Here for is preposition for direction. Put it into the drawer. Here into is an example of preposition of direction. The last one is they ran from the station. Here from is an example of directions. Now, we will go to more preposition for practice. Look, choose the correct preposition from the box and fill in the gaps. So, look at the option here, to, by, for, by, on, at, from. These 3 are the options, and with using these options we will fill in the blanks here. Dear Ruman, we are going to Cox Bazar Sea Beach, GAF, the 14th December. So here the answer will be on the 14th December. On the 14th December, Sadman, Sarafi and others are joining GAF the same day. Here the option will be on also. On. So on 2 times done. We shall leave dash Chittagong. That means we shall leave for Chittagong. We shall leave for Chittagong at noon. Time related issue. So it will be at noon. We hope to reach Chittagong. Here it will be by train. Dash or gap Chittagong we shall go dash by. From Chittagong. Look at the option. From Chittagong we shall go by bus. Here the word by. We are planning to go, that's the San Martin Island. Here the answer will be go to. It is related, that means after go that will be to preposition. So all are done here, to by, at, from. So number 1 is done. Now we will go to second one. Before going to second one, look, please join us in time. See you soon, Ryan. Normally it is seen that this is the letter. That means here Ryan is letter to his friend Rumman. Now we will go to question number 2. Choose the correct preposition from the box and fill in the gaps. Look at the option for, by, to, at, from, under, at, around. These are the options. So using these options we will fill in the blanks. Dear Luna, how are you? I want to meet you dash Mirpur. So it is a place related issue. So it will be at Mirpur. At Mirpur. Dash there we shall go dash New Market. That means from there we shall go to New Market. I have to buy so many things. Apuni will be waiting dash the foot over bridge. It will be under the foot over bridge. Very common preposition. Under the foot over bridge dash New Market. Location again at preposition will be here. Apuni will come dash bus. So it will be by, very common. We shall go dash the New Market. We shall go for New Market. It may take time. We shall stay there dash 2 hours. It will be around 2 hours. So see you soon, Lira. This is the 2 number question answer. Now we will go to 3, last question answer. Choose the correct preposition from the box and fill in the gaps. Options: at, on, at, in, from, till, through, in. These are the options. So now we will read. Dear Mustafa Bhai, how are you? It has been 3 months since I saw you last. You wanted to know about Sylhet. I was dash Sylhet. That means I was in Sylhet from 2001. It will be from dash April. It will be till April 2010. I lived. So look here, at small place, that means bigger place. It will be at Shipgunj in Sylhet. You have to go to Jaflong dash Shipgunj. That means through. This is the way, THROUGH. Through Shipgunj. MC College is on dash the top of the hillock. It will be on. Sylhet MC College. You cannot but stare dash the tea garden. We all know that after stare it will be at, stare at. Stare at the tea gardens in Sylhet. Because of natural beauty, I hope you will enjoy your days in Sylhet, Kollur. Our question number 3 is done. Now look here, I have given your SW. Your SW is more preposition from practice number 1, 2. So look here, it is more preposition for practice. I have given here 3 questions. And your SW is 1 and 2, not 3. So you will do your SW in your specific SW copy. Keep it in mind that on the basis of your SW, you will get your diary marks, city marks and SBA marks also. So SW is an important issue here. Dear students, now I hope that you have understood our today's discussion. Keep practicing again and again preposition or the proper use of prepositions. Eat a balanced diet, take physical exercise regularly and abide by your parents' advice. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.